the graph shows y is equal to x cubed minus 12x plus k. So x cubed minus 12x plus k, where k is a positive constant, where k is less than 16. Well, it's less than 16. If you were to raise this up more than 16, this point here would be up in this part of the axis. Now, the curve has a maximum point at p, comma r, and a minimum point at q, comma s. So p, comma r, and q, comma s. Find using differentiation r minus s. So we've got to find the difference between the y coordinates of the maximum and the minimum point. So if we just find that this is the distance that we've got to find, which is r minus s. So it says use differentiation. So we've got y is equal to x cubed minus 12x plus k less than 16. Differentiating, we're going to get 3x squared minus 12. And when you differentiate a constant, when you differentiate a number, you get nothing. So it becomes 3x squared minus 12. Now, to find maximum and minimum points, you need to put dy by dx is equal to 0, which means that 3x squared minus 12 will be equal to 0. We can factorize out a 3, so we get 3 brackets x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared, a plus b, a minus b. So please try to remember this and look out for it. So factorizing it fully, we get 3, x plus 2, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So when x is minus 2, which we get from x is minus 2, or sorry, x is 2 we get from here. So when x is equal to minus 2, we substitute that into y. We're going to get minus 2 cubed minus 12 times minus 2, be careful with the negative sign, plus the constant at the end. So we're going to get minus 2 cubed, which is 16. Sorry, minus 2 cubed minus 12 times minus 2 is 16, plus the k. And then when x is 2, it's the same thing, substitute into here, we're going to get y is 2 cubed minus 12 times 2 plus k. 2 cubed minus 12 times 2 gives minus 16. Don't forget the plus k. Okay, so we want the difference between that coordinate, which is that one, and that one. So we just look here. So we got p is minus 2, 16 plus k, and q is 2 minus 16 plus k. We want this distance here, r minus s, so it's that one minus that one. So it's going to be 16 plus k minus bracket minus 16 plus k. So 16 plus k, minus makes a plus 16, a minus and a plus makes minus k. So the k's will cancel out, so it didn't actually matter what k was. They will cancel out, so k has no effect of this. This difference will always be 32. In fact, it doesn't matter where you raise it up, the difference will always be 32. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the difference between the y coordinates of between a maximum and a minimum point. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.